Oga, wait now, Oga, wait.
So you have the guts to come to my place
No,
again?
no, Oga, wait. Oga, wait. You know, say now you come.
I said I don't want to see you.
Wait, abeg. My fans, this I know many people go remember this face. At the house, this girl come meet me. Say he on me, may I go beg the boyfriend. The boyfriend they spend money for you, they do everything for you, rent house for you, buy phone for everything. They he make sure say you no lack anything. You go the shit on that girl, on that boy. Now you say you want may I go beg her. I be okay, men I hear from her.
Abeg, take God name beg you. Make una help me beg am. Make him just forgive me abeg. I really need am back. Abeg, I dey beg you.
My friends, I don't hear from her, abi. Now they sure say this guy if vex comot that they go forgive this girl. You fit accompany me reach your house.
Yes,
You sure
yes.
say go the house now?
Him go dey house.
Hey, I dey fear make that guy no come go beat me or abeg o, I no dey o. You sure say this thing go work?
You go work
I
abeg.
pray this thing go work. Yeah, let's go. Let's see. God go touch am. I pray. Thank God touch him mind. That kind thing no happen again. Abeg. Hey, sorry. Dey fear abeg. See fine house where dem put you. Eh? Person dey here so. Person dey. Just a person. This guy no dey.
Like say him no dey house.
No dey abi?
Like don comot.
You don
But I
comot.
know- I
You know
where
where
I
you
go
fit
see
dey?
am. Yes, I know where I go see am.
Oh yeah, let's try now. See fine place like this. Abeg, men and mind they calm down sometime. Abeg, but you yourself, you know, say that's when you do very bad. You understand? Abi?
I know.
Bad.
Abeg,
Abeg,
let me
fans,
beg am.
men are they pray for am or medicine work. Abeg, me myself, I want medicine work. I want me. Nah, fans, we don't go check this guy. This guy no deal, but according to the guy, he say he get one place where the guy dey stay. Let's go and check. I pray, fans. I want medicine work. Pray. We never seen reach here. Which
You
side?
go so rich. See
Sir.
am. See am
See am
here.
o.
See am here.
Bro, hold on, sir. Oga, wait.
I want you to have that
Wait,
camera.
Oga, wait now, Oga,
Okay,
wait.
so you have the guts to come to my place
No,
again?
Oga, wait. Oga, wait. You know, say now you come.
I said I don't want to see you.
Wait, abeg. Oga, wait. Abeg, I won't make. See, according to my fans and me,
Yes.
I won't make forgive this girl.
Forgive this girl.
Abeg.
You know what this guy do me?
I know.
I dey pay this girl bills. I spend a lot of money on her.
I know. Abeg. I won't make.
I don't want to see you.
Abeg.
I don't want to.
Abeg.
I said shop. Are you okay?
Abeg, Oga. No, bros. Abeg.
Leave my side.
I won't make forgive her. Abeg.
Make she live here. I don't want to see her.
Abeg, wait. I won't make you and this girl, men, and settle this matter, bros. Abeg. See.
Wait till you tell me now.
Abeg.
My settle with her.
Abeg. I won't make and settle. You understand? Calm down. Abeg. I won't make and settle you. Bros, wait. Bros, wait. I won't make and settle. You understand? You come. They beg now. They beg.
I said she.
Wait, bros, wait.
I go.
Wait, bros.
I go
Wait.
with you.
Bros, wait. I won't make and settle. You understand? I won't make forgive this girl. You understand? Abeg. You understand? See, you don't already spend all the money. See, because of the love you get for this girl before. You understand? See, according to all the comments, forgive this girl. I beg you the beg am. I beg me myself I read. I beg bros. I beg forgive am, you hear? I beg. Because of the love, I beg. God thank you. 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 Thank you. God thank you. Thank you.
Why?
My fans,
Why?
thank you so much.
After everything.
Thank you.
Why?
Thank you.
After everything I dey do for you, and they pay your bill.
Bro.
You know how much I dey sell for you per month.
Thank you. You be man. I'm man.
You know how much I dey sell for you.
You try. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. My fans, thank you. I swear, we don't settle this matter. The guy don't agree to go on with the wedding, to correct the girl back. Yeah, very soon they will be husband and wife. The girl will fly to her blood. See, because your support, you guys support, this will work fine now. It work, real work. I love you guys. Thank you for your comment. People will say, not leave the girl, follow her. I follow your comment and I read go there. Everything work perfect. Thank you. And follow for more video. Thank you so much. One love to you guys.